Hi, today I'm going to be doing a science experiment using friction. You can take two books. Now it could be just a regular book, or it could be possibly magazines or even a phone book, a couple of those, and open up the pages. Get the books as even with the pages as you can. Now you can overlap each individual page, or you can simply overlap several pages. Just keep on overlapping pages, page after page. And what you will have at the end are pieces of paper, the pages that, due to friction, makes it impossible to pull the books or magazines or phone books apart. So to take them apart, you simply have to unfold the pages once again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.